Okay, hello, my name is Ahmed Hussam. I'm a student in MET 37 Dash. My part is in this project was handling the push buttons, which lights up the LED. Okay, so the push button is connected to a wire, the positive and the negative, in which it connects with the resistor. The button, when it's pressed, it completes the circuit and it sends a signal 1 to the board in which it lights up the LED. There you go.
My name is Mohammed Sharif Gabr. I'm a student at the GC, MET student, and basically we're doing the embedded systems project. Our project was the smart classroom. It consists of two modes. One is the exam mode and the other is the normal classroom mode. And my part of the project was to build the 6x6 LED matrix with the buttons attached to tell the students that basically if a student gets in the class, the LED matrix, one of the lights one of the LED red lights will light, which basically tells a student that this seat or chair is not available and that a student is sitting on it. And it goes for the 6 LEDs as well. So if all LEDs are lit, it means that there are no chairs available for more students to sit on. The LED is supposed to be outside the classroom, just for students who want to enter the classroom, they would know that the class is full or not. And this will help students not to to know if someone is there or not, which will avoid disturbing other students who are in the classroom. Thank you.
My name is Mirna. My part in the project is the green LEDs, which are the lights. Every light is shared between two students. As you see, when a student, here's the board. When a student sits in the first row, here it indicates that there is a student here, and the light, the green light, which is shared between these two students, any one of them, whenever he sits, it lights up. Okay? And here, when one in the last row sat down, the whole lights light up to the board, to see the board. Okay, this is the first part. The second part is the buzzer. When we enter an exam mode, which is selected through the keypad, we set a time, duration for the exam, for example 1 minute. After this 1 minute, the buzzer keeps on ringing to indicate that the duration of the exam is over.
Hello, my name is Salma. So Merla told you about the part including the buzzer and the green LED lights. So to reach that buzzer, we have to enter exam mode first. So here is my part that in this, using key matrix, this is the key matrix that I implemented. Using this key matrix, you enter A or B. A is the normal classroom mode and the B is the exam mode. Once you press B, it indicates on the screen that you want to enter the exam mode. Once again, this part Omar Zamrani will tell you more about, but I'm gonna tell you about my part. Once you press on B, you have to enter a timer using these numbers on the key matrix. And this, once you press on, for example, you press 2, this 2 will keep decrementing until you reach 0, so the buzzer will keep on ringing. The part including the display and the part including where you, like the counting down and all of that, Omar Zamrani will tell you about.
My name is Omar Hamdi Zamrani. I'm a 37 engineer in MET. Our part in this project is this LCD screen. I connected this LCD screen to the board using these wires, and we also include the potentiometer, which let's say controls the brightness of the screen, as you see. And how the screen works, I actually set the cursor to let's say position 0, and then type all of this. So, and then I connected this screen with this key matrix. So whenever I press a B, here, as you see, we enter the exam mode, and if here in the screen he let's say order the time, and when we press 0 and 1 as 1 minute, the time is set to 1, and then he order you to click OK, which is press a key D, and then as we see here the time is decrementing till we hit 0,